Aiden, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Can I see your license? Okay. So today we have a mock test. Aiden, from the first day, once he came with me, he don't have any experience. The first time he started with me. So today we're gonna take a mock test. So if Aiden pass at the end of the test, I will tell Aiden you pass. If he didn't pass, if he missed something, so I also tell to Aiden. So I will not ask anything against law. Anytime you are turning left, right, signal, check the mirror, check the blind spot. If it is traffic light, I will tell you traffic light left turn, traffic light right turn. If it is stop sign, I will tell you stop sign left turn, stop sign right turn. Okay?
Yeah.
Do you have any question?
No.
Okay. So let's start. So we are going to the left. The car is on. Yeah. Again, we are turning to the right. From the stop sign, we are going right. Traffic light, left turn. Make a lane change to the right. Make a lane change to the left. Again, lane change to the left. Traffic light, left turn. Make a lane change. Turn off the signal. left. First street right turn. Do parallel parking behind that car. Nice. Okay, when it's safe, proceed. Do the roadside stop. When it's safe, do 3-point turn. Stop sign, right turn. Do downhill parking after this intersection. Okay, when it's safe, proceed. is somewhere around here on the left side. Okay, then how was it? Is stressful, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, there was few small mistakes that decreased the point. For example, you forgot to turn off your signal, which decreased 3 points. So, and also when here I said turn right, you were supposed to turn left, but you control it. That was nice because we had time. There was no one, and you turn it to the right.
Yep.
And one another thing, anytime you are doing left turn, you must go to the right. When we did the left turn, you just drive, then I ask you to lane change to the right. Okay. The rest, your driving is wonderful. You control your speed. The parallel parking was wonderful. 3-point turn was wonderful. You follow everything. So as per my experience, you passed, and hopefully you pass your road test.
Okay.
Do you have any question?
No.
Okay.
Sorry.
Thank you so much.